Principal, Mrs. Green.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
You can imagine how proud and exhausted I am to be standing here celebrating with you. It is truly an honor to be leading the school, this amazing community. Like this building, our community is also new, as redistricting has expanded our family. We are now bigger, stronger, and now fully equipped to support the educational needs of our children. Our future is so bright and ripe with opportunity that I can't wait to open these doors for you. This year, Pershing Hill is on the journey to greatness, and at Pershing Hill, together we will achieve greatness. Great schools for all students begin when we make a conscious choice that we are no longer good, but we are great, and that the entire school community has a role in leading our students to greatness. It is our dream that students will experience their classrooms as invigorating, even inspiring environments, places they look forward to going to, and places they hate to leave. It is our dream that they will come to know themselves as masters of their crafts. It is our dream that they will come to love the process of learning itself by making it their own. Before I go further, we have some very special guests with us this afternoon, and I'd like to take just a few minutes to introduce them. First, we have the members of the Anne Arundel County Board of Education, President Patty Nally, Vice President Andrew Pruski, Board Member Teresa Burge, Board Member Debbie Ritchie, Board Member Jillian Buck, and Board Member Solon Webb. We have our wonderful Superintendent of Schools, Dr. Kevin Maxwell, and representing County Executive John R. Leopold, Education Liaison Bob Blythe, State Senator Ed DeGrange, State Delegate Steve Shue, he will be coming, he did RSVP, County Councilman Jamie Benoit, and our installation commander here at Fort Meade, Colonel Edward Rothstein, and representing Governor Martin O'Malley, David Lever from the Maryland Interagency Committee of School Construction. I also like to welcome the many members of the Anne Arundel County Public Schools executive team and senior staff. If you may stand at this time, please, or wave your hand. And the Regional Assistant Superintendent for the Meade Cluster, Dr. Donna Ciafrani.